Good day, everyone. Guys, please raise your hand who think that personal and biometric data is crucial for you and cannot avoid it. Good picture, a lot of you. So every day, financial institutions face two types of issues: how to properly authenticate their client and how to properly assess the risk level. The most simple way, which is used by many companies, is to collect as much data as possible. This leads to very serious issues that a lot of redundant personal and consumer-sensitive data is being collected, which is very costly and bears huge risk for all the sides. 2.5 years ago, we launched JuicyScore to challenge the value of personal and other consumer-sensitive data. We asked a very simple question: is it possible not to use personal data to authenticate client and to evaluate risk? Today we have a straightforward message for you. Yes, it is possible. Moreover, absence of personal data is dramatically improving end-user security. From the very beginning, we started from device authentication, data enrichment, and behavioral biometry, which resulted in the birth of JuicyScore. And today we'll show you the seamless end-to-end authentication process, which is developed on non-personal data. And now, let's apply for a loan in online mode. So here is the standard mobile application of the common online lender. The device we use is one of the most popular in Asia, therefore we chose it for the demo. So let's fill in the requested data. Let's choose loan parameters. I will also type my name, my email address, my phone number, okay, done. So my application is sent to the lender, and let's look what is happening on the server side. So here is the JuicyScore request tab. Here you can see the data fields which are collected from the device, such as Juicy Session ID, time attributes, and some other data fields which are sent to JuicyScore to calculate the score itself and generate the output data vector. On the JuicyScore Response tab, you can see the data attributes which are available in our API. So it consists of the anti-fraud score, the device ID, user ID, and a long list of attributes. Half a year ago, we recognized that that was just the beginning. We decided to go further and to challenge the classic biometry and to resolve it within our Juicy paradigm. So let's hop back to our mobile phone where we were applying for a loan. We were authenticated and assessed by JuicyScore as risky clients because of uncommon time zone and multiple applications coming from this phone, as we have trained a lot before. So the request for photo has been activated, and I am making a selfie. So the selfie is done, and now it's time to take a picture from my ID to make it possible to compare both photos versus each other. Okay, done. So the most important thing here is that both photos stay on the device and do not leave it. So the classic biometry, empowered by device authentication, is providing much higher accuracy. The idea is very simple. As long as you can see the same virtual user on the same device with the same behavioral biometry, you do not need to ask too many questions. So let's hop back to the server side. So here are the data fields which are collected from the device and stored in JuicyScore database. So we collect here the Juicy Session ID, pretty much same as in JuicyScore, and some other data attributes. We do not collect any personal data or photos here. And let's have a look at what is returned as a result. Here you can see the list of image-based attributes which provide both the additional statistic power to the risk model as well as improved conversion rate, as biometry does not bother the creditworthy applicants. We launched JuicyBio to squeeze more information from biometry, but we still do not store or collect any personal data or photos. Substantially improving the end-user security, we're still able to provide the robust authentication technology together with enhanced data vector for risk assessment. Within these 2.5 years, we have seen more than 500 million of devices. We are observing more than 1 million of unique users every day. We have shown the proof and significant risk deterioration on our customers' portfolio, which let us work in 12 countries and let our clients show 10+ time ROI on their cash flow using our data, and let our clients outperform the market 2+ times. So if you found those examples valuable and important for you, please support us and welcome to our stand. So my name is Alex, my colleague's name is Pavel, so you can easily recognize us with our orange juicy ties. Thank you very much.